Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Okay, so I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and after I stopped being a color art affiliate, I have no qualms about using Anita's white metallic, which is super cheap and fun to play with. So I'm going to start with adding some indigo violet, which is a Prizm pour, and a little bit of Whispering Wisteria, which is a a purely pigment, and a little bit of red violet. Then I'm just going to spread paint until I'm happy I've got other colors. But I've decided, because acrylic paint always dries darker, that it would be really wonderful to have a light colored canvas to begin with as a background. And I know the Anitas might flesh things out, but that's really okay with me right now. Got a little bit of pink carnation, which I should have shaken. But I'll figure out a way to make it work, or I won't. And I want some Tickled pink. I like the Groovy Guava just as much. I want to play with the blue velvet. I've got turquoise too. That's probably next. This is Cyan Aqua. I'm almost out of and ready to mix some more of. I'm going to use the red violet right alongside. Some more Anitas. Desperately wanted to try this for a long time with the Anitas. I'm afraid of blending things in too much, but if I don't try it once, I won't ever know. I believe the red violet has golden diamonds in it. This is Groovy Guava again. As long as my paint is wet, I'm going to have some fun with it. I've got some Miami Magenta too. I actually like what I've got. I'm just inclined to think it's more of a start than anything. I want to put some black in, and if I did, it should probably be cell activator, because I really think that it would activate a bunch of things. It'd be pretty cool. And usually I say I'll do that another time, but I'm kind of thinking I might want to. I want to find the periwinkle. I've laid my hands on it. And a little more blue velvet. And the pink diamond just called me loudly, although the jasmine is just as interesting. And I'm wondering about maybe leaving that available. I'm wondering about is the snapdragon. I'd quit winding up with little filamenty things in here. I did a stripey painting similar to this a while ago that I never posted, and it's waiting in the wings. It's kind of funny that that's happening. That pink carnation is sort of outstanding in its coloration. There's not a lot left in here. It's kind of hard to shake. I'm not careful, I'll lose all my color. I want my pale color, I mean. I want a little bit more. I was going to say turquoise, but I've got a majestic blue that's pretty sharp. And then I'm going to call it either, you know what, I could use my turquoise cell activator to heck with the majestic blue. I just need to decide how to get rid of all the rest of the paint on my spatula. And I'm going to wipe it off. This is Atelier turquoise. We're just going to try it. If it doesn't sell, that's okay. I think it was starting to sell and I stroked over it twice, which means it might still come up. I want some darker blue. Actually, I want this indigo violet. I thought I would put some titanium white in, but that never seemed to be something that I ever came to that final state of conclusion. I still want to put black in, especially since the turquoise didn't really sell. How about Dancing Fuchsia instead, or purple maybe? I think Dancing Fuchsia. Still makes me want black. Or silver. Trying to get the tau off the top of the black. Feels risky. Sometimes it's nice to just decide to stop because it's safer that way. I'm going to give a little more turquoise since I see some cells are coming up. The cells that are coming up are pink too. That's pretty cool. I'm liking that a lot. Glad I didn't chicken out. I want a little bit more. I was going to say dancing fuchsia, but I'm going to use the dancing fuchsia cell activator. Still like that pink carnation in there. Just stands out from all the other pinks. Somebody's going, stop, stop now before you ruin it. And I kind of agree. It's time. Alright, that's it. It's just pretty colors, and I'm going to torch. Join that line up. Add a little jasmine to the pink carnation. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.